What up guys, today we're going to be building dancing armor stands, just like that. So let's get right into it. What you're going to need is 5 redstone torches, 17 redstone dust, 9 redstone comparators, 5 armor stands, and 5 blocks of your choice. Here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place torches, like so. Your armor stands. Place your comparator. And then we're gonna go backwards. There we go. Actually, we'll do this first. Redstone all the way back here, connecting all that. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, just like that. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.